I have some of the new Pitaka MagSafe cases for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so let's get a look at them. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk, and I am back with some MagSafe cases because I'm all about MagSafe. I have been sent these cases from the guys over at Pitaka, so a massive thank you guys for sending these over to me. Personally, I love Pitaka products and I am over the moon to get these, so let's get into them. Now, on the iPhone 12 there was a lack of MagSafe options. Pitaka did have their own magnetic solution which they developed, which was really good. But introduction of MagSafe, I reviewed a Pitaka case last year. Because of the lack of MagSafe, it wasn't really for me, so I had to return it. But this year, Pitaka have knocked it out of the park with the MagSafe on these cases. So let's get into it and get them checked out. So first off, we'll start with the Pitaka Mag EZ Case 2. And let's get a look. So there we go. There's a look at the packaging, which is pretty nice. And there we go. Pretty nice. So this is the MagEZ case, is pretty much Pitaka's slimmed down, lightweight version of their case. You know, so if you want that sort of minimalistic look, this is the case for you. So if I just stick this in, oh yeah, look at that. So it looks pretty sweet. As you can see, there's a pretty good bump up over the camera, and then as you take a look from the side profile, there isn't much of a lip up over the display, and as you can see, there is parts of the phone are exposed. So the likes of your buttons are exposed at the side, the top of the body is exposed, as is the bottom of the phone. While this isn't really something that I particularly like, my personal preference, I like to have the entire body of the phone covered, just simply because accidents happen, and if the worst happened to me, I would end up getting a big chunk right out of my phone. Although the finish is really grippy, I will say that now, it's really good. I can't really complain about that at all. And as always, the aramid fibre finish on these Pitaka cases, like all of the aramid fibre that Pitaka do, the finish is first class. It really is. It's just stunning. It really is. So let's do a MagSafe test then on this case. So I have here my Anchor MagSafe stand, and I have the official MagSafe cable from Apple. So we'll do the Apple cable first. So, oh jeepers. Holy heck. That's some really strong magnets. Friggin' heck, that's crazy. Now, there's a bit of weight in this stand because this stand also has a wireless charger built into the base. As you can see, there's a bit of weight in this stand. That's crazy. That's the strongest magnets I think I've seen in a case. That is crazy. Let me just get another case. This is my Spigen MagSafe case. So as you can see, like MagSafe goes on there, and it's solid, but that's crazy. Spigen. And that's the weight of a 13 Pro Max. I'm scared. I'm really scared. That is bonkers. Wow. Top marks, Pitaka, for your magnets, because wow. That is the best magnetic connection I've seen in a MagSafe case. Initial impressions, the design and the quality, and of course the magnets in this case are phenomenal. Unfortunately for me personally, just my personal preference, I don't really go for the minimalistic look. This particular case is not for me, if I'm being honest. I just like to have the entire body of the phone covered, and for that reason I can't say that I would use this case, if I'm being truthfully honest, because simply I would not trust myself with this. this. I wouldn't say that I'm rough with my phones. Accidents happen, and the last thing I'd want to do is take a big chunk out of the side of my phone. So unfortunately, this one wouldn't be for me, unfortunately, which is a bit sad. However, this is the case I have been waiting for. If you follow me on Twitter, I'm sure you probably have seen some tweets from me, and I've been tweeting Pitaka, I've been tweeting other creators, the likes of Alex Gear and Tech, so shout out to you, Alex, a couple of other creators who have reviewed this Mag EZ Case Pro. This is the case I've been waiting for, so I'm really excited to get my hands on this. And if the magnets in this thing or anything to go by, I'm really excited to get my hands on this. So let's get a look at it. There we go. Right. So there we go. First class packaging from Pitaka for this. It is lovely. Oh, we've got a wee product catalogue. Look at that. Now that is again another first class finish. That aramid fibre finish. We've got quite a raised camera bump here on the Pro. I really like the look of that. Going to offer a lot of protection, but as I'm sure you've noticed, all edges of the body are covered, which I like. We have like a suede type finish on the inside, and then you can see the sort of the outline for MagSafe. Give this a go. Oh yeah, this is the one. This is the one. As you can see, the aramid fibre finish is flawless, as to be expected. On the side then, where the aramid fibre meets, you'll see the rubber bumper, which is really, really good. You'll then see the buttons to protect the phone. As you can see as well, you see that lip up over the display. Yeah. This is what I've been asking for. Now, I will be honest, Pitaka did a Pro version of this case for their 12 Pro Max, for the 12 Pro Max last year, and it sort of didn't have these rounded edges, and I wasn't a fan of it. I didn't really like it, and that's why I didn't go for that version of the case, because I just didn't like it was like nearly like an octagon shape, you know. So I wasn't really a fan of that. But this is it. Let's test out these magnets. We'll test the Apple MagSafe cable. Yeah, so I think it's safe to say these magnets are just as good. That is crazy. And that's the weight of the 13 Pro Max as well. I mean, which isn't light. It's a stainless steel phone at the end of the day. I'm scared. And there's my anchor stand. Like, it takes a lot of force to knock this off. Like, that's not moving. Wow. I will be honest now, if anybody has any doubts over MagSafe, especially with a third party like Pitaka, I hope this answers any of your concerns, because that's crazy. That is crazy. This is it. This is the case. I think I'm going to go on record and say this is my favourite case of 2021. Hey! Well, I think it's safe to say, whether you want to go for a minimalistic type of look, or if you want to go for the more all-body protection, and you like that aramid fibre design, these are hard to look by. They really, really are. For me, this is hands down the case. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. Have you tried these cases? What do you think of them? Let me know if you've had any good experiences, any bad experiences. Let me know down below. That'll be wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. I will leave you links in the description to these items down below, and Pitaka have kindly given me a discount code, so if you want to use the discount code shown on screen, it'll get you 10% off all products on Pitaka's website. So if you just use this discount code, you will get 10% off, so go and get buying. Hope you liked the video, guys. If you did, hit that like button. I would massively appreciate it, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It massively helps me out on the channel, and if you want to be notified of new content just like this, hit that bell button as well. Until the next one, guys, I'll catch you later.